Okay, this is the flat Earth model. It is a disk, and the sun, because we're talking about the sun right now, the moon we're going to ignore. The sun goes around over the whole disk in this fashion. It does not go around like this around the backside of the Earth, and so the flat earthers say. Okay, so therefore it's always on top and parallel to the ground all the time. Okay, well, there's a little tiny problem, and a very easily proven that this is wrong. Clouds in the sky. You see them there? Them are clouds at sunset. And what do you see is there's a sun that's below the cloud line because it's shining the sun rays right on the bottom side of the clouds. And NASA didn't doctor this photo, by the way. This is just taken out in Nevada. And this is not the only one. See, I got another one. Ta-da! See it? It happens all the time. The sun has to be lower than 100,000 feet because these clouds can't be more than 1,000 feet above ground level. Okay, so this is probably where in Henderson. Henderson is about 1,500 feet about sea level. 1,500 feet above sea level. So these clouds have to be 2,000, 2,500 feet above sea level. Well, the sun is dipping as it's setting. It's dipping below the clouds because there's no way you can get a light ray from 100,000 feet to come and bend and light up the underside of the clouds. See, it's lit up right here, and the top side is dark. It's only lighting the bottom side of the clouds, and the top sides are dark because they're in the shadow because the sun is below that. So guess what? There is no flat Earth. You can see it with your own eyes. When it's setting or when it's sun rising, it does the same thing. It's shooting rays from below the cloud line up on the back side of the clouds, on the underside of the clouds. And the top side of it is dark because they're in the shadow. Okay, flat earthers, you need to take on a different hobby.